Right guys, in this video I am going to review on the camera of Realme ZT Neo 3. So hey guys, I am Ikhtier and you are watching ARZONE. So if you are not subscribed yet, please subscribe this channel and turn on the notification. So without wasting any more time, let's begin. Okay, its front camera you will find 16 megapixel and you can shoot 1080 pixels in 30 fps, and in back camera you will find 50 megapixel in wide, 8 megapixel in ultra wide, 2 megapixel in macro, and you will also find dual led and dual tone flash, and you can shoot 4K videos also, and you will also find here 1080 pixels resolution. That is the specifications of this Realme ZT Neo 3 camera. So see in the